Hello, guys, this is Kartik Sapra, your host and host, and you're watching Coding Blocks YouTube channel. Many newbies to open source actually message me to know about details about certain open source organizations that participate in various open source programs such as Google Summer of Code, Outreachy, Google Season of Docs, etc. So, I have a surprise for you all, that is Open Source Org Awareness Initiative, in which we will be talking about different beginner friendly open source organizations. This will be a podcast series with various awesome guests where you will get to know about various stuff about organizations. The aspects we will be talking about will be: first, what that particular org is all about or what domain that org caters to. Second, what tech stack that org works upon and what is required from you as a prerequisite. Third, various projects that org has in which you can contribute. Fourth, this is the most asked question to me, that is where we can communicate with the org people such as org admin, org mentors, etc. So we will see in detail where you can communicate, and we will see about the communication channels for that particular organization on which you can get the support for your various doubts. Fifth is the advice on how you can start your open source journey with that particular organization. So now no one will face difficulties on starting his or her open source journey, because we will try to cover many aspects of many open source organizations which actually participate in many big open source programs. So guys, stay tuned with this episodic series and you will see certain good episodes. So at the last, please do like and share the video, comment if you want to ask anything, and subscribe to the channel. So that's it, guys, and we will be meeting you in the podcast episodes. So thank you very much.